Wow, what a day today at the car barn. We had about 50 people here for a tour, question and answer session, and lunch. Here's what they looked like. It was kind of a motley crew, but we had a great time. Today I'm in the back shop, which is Finley's shop. This is the part of the car barn where nobody does anything but me. I keep everybody away from here because I don't want them monkeying with my favorite toys. This is a 1969 Road Runner in scorch red. It's a 383 and it's a 391 Sure Grip car. It's a bunch of fun. It's a car I've had over 30 years. It's a fun car to drive. It's a cruiser. It gets out on the highway and really levels out, and it's fun to drive. The thing about these cars is they were low-end muscle cars. They were fast, they were reliable, they were fun, and they were very inexpensive, so they got used up very quickly. The majority of these cars got wrapped around a telephone pole, turned over, raced to death. There was very little rust protection in them, so very few survive. You don't see a lot of them at car shows, even though they were a great piece of muscle car history. This particular one is an air grabber car, so it's a 383 with an air grabber. Now we'll post some pictures of this. It's a really fun car. I've had it a long time, and there's a good story behind this one. We'll post some pictures at the end so you can see what it's all about. The story is I acquired this car and I had a local high school auto shop do the restoration for me. It took them forever, but they did a great job. They could never get the rear seal to quit leaking, so we had to deal with that. Other than that, they did a fine job. This is an older restoration and an example of the kind of stuff you'll find at the car barn. Not all just blue oval stuff. We do have some Mopar stuff. We've got a 70.5 Z28 split bumper car, 4-speed car. We've got different cars we bring in and out. So if you get over here and you want to see something other than just the same old Fords, we've got them. 69 Road Runner, scorch red, GTSs, GTXs, Camaros. We've got some other stuff. We'll see you soon at the Blue Oval Car Barn. Come see us in downtown Mineral Wells, Texas, right underneath the Crazy Water sign down the street from the Baker Hotel. Thank you.